If you're struggling to get perfect heat transfers for your craft projects, you're definitely not alone. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, the Colology Mini Heat Press. The Colology Mini Heat Press caught my eye with its sleek white and pink design and an affordable price of just $23.98. If you want a compact and easy-to-use heat press for crafting, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Colology features a one-button design that allows you to adjust temperature easily without fumbling around. It offers 3 temperature settings: low at 284 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Celsius, medium at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and high at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. This means you can tailor the heat to your project, whether it's delicate fabrics or more robust materials. It heats up quickly too, reaching 284 degrees Fahrenheit in around 3 minutes and going from 320 degrees Fahrenheit to 356 degrees Fahrenheit in just about 50 seconds. Plus, the LED display shows real-time temperature, which is super handy. Now, some people complained about its size, saying it might be too small for larger projects. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily working with smaller items like t-shirts, hats, or pillows, its compact design makes it easy to handle without the bulk of a traditional heat press. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to customize smaller items without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you need to handle larger projects regularly, but for the price point, it's a steal. Now, if the Colology's size worried you, the next one on our list might actually be even better for larger crafting needs.
Product number 2, HTVRNT Mini Heat Press, Mint. The HTVRNT Mini Heat Press in a fresh mint color, priced at $22.99. If you're looking for something lightweight and portable for quick projects, this one is definitely worth a look. This mini heat press is designed for small to medium projects, and it heats up rapidly, saving you about 20 seconds compared to other brands. It also features 3 heat settings: low at 284 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Celsius, medium at 320 degrees Fahrenheit, 160 degrees Celsius, and high at 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, so you can easily switch depending on your materials. The handle is ergonomically designed, making it easy to grip, which helps prevent burns. It even comes with an insulated base for safety. That said, some users mention the heat press could be a bit tricky for beginners due to the knob controls. Now, I'll be real with you. While it takes a minute to get used to, it's not a deal breaker. Once you get the hang of it, the precision and versatility are impressive. This is perfect for you if you love crafting on the go, perhaps at fairs or travel. Skip this one if you need something for larger scale projects, but it's a great option for quick, smaller jobs. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for versatility.
Product number 3, Cricut Easy Press Mini in Raspberry. The Cricut Easy Press Mini in Raspberry, priced at $39.20, really impressed me with its compact design and functionality. If you want a heat press that handles small, intricate projects effortlessly, this is a must-see. This device is all about precision, making it perfect for hard-to-reach areas. It has 3 heat settings, allowing you to tackle various materials with ease, from HTV to sublimation projects. The ceramic-coated heat plate ensures even heat distribution, which means no more burnt edges or uneven transfers. It even comes with a user-friendly heat guide that helps you nail down the perfect settings for any project. However, some users felt it was a bit pricey compared to others on this list. Now, here's the thing. While it is on the higher end, the quality and results you get are worth the investment, especially if you're serious about your crafting. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with intricate designs and want a reliable tool. Skip this if you're just starting out and looking for something more budget-friendly. With its features, it's definitely a solid investment. Now, if you want something slightly different but still effective, the next product on our list could be right up your alley. Product number 4, Cricut Easy Press Mini LT in blue, priced at $39. If you're looking for a straightforward and efficient mini heat press, this one is built for simplicity and quality. The Easy Press Mini LT focuses on easy usability with just one heat setting that reaches up to 355 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius.
It features a ceramic-coated heat plate, which spreads heat evenly, ensuring that every transfer comes out perfectly. This is particularly useful for delicate items like baby clothes or small accessories. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, making it a breeze to store or take along on crafting trips. However, some might find the single temperature setting limiting. Here's the thing. While it doesn't offer multiple heat settings, many users appreciate the simplicity, especially if you're focusing on consistency. This is perfect for you if you want a no-fuss, reliable tool for crafting small items. Skip this one if you prefer a more versatile machine with adjustable settings. For what it offers, it's a great value. Now, if you're still weighing your options, our final product has some unique features that might catch your attention. Product number 5. HTV RONT Mini Heat Press in pink. We have another HTV RONT Mini Heat Press, this time in a cute pink color for $22.99. If you're all about style and functionality, this might just be the right fit for you. Similar to its mint counterpart, this mini heat press is portable and designed for small craft projects. It features 3 heat settings, allowing you to adjust from 284 degrees Fahrenheit, 140 degrees Celsius, to 356 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. The quick heat-up time makes it super efficient, and it also comes with an insulated base for safety. The lightweight design makes it easy to carry for on-the-go crafting. Some users did say that the heat settings can be confusing at first. Here's the thing though, once you get familiar with the controls, you'll find it's easy to use and effective for a variety of projects. This is perfect for you if you love crafting and need something cute and functional for small jobs. Skip this if you're looking for something to handle bigger tasks. For its price, you're getting a solid little machine. Now that we've covered all 5, let's wrap things up and see which one stands out.
So, we've taken a look at the top 5 mini heat press machines. Each of these has its strengths, but if I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Cricut Easy Press Mini in Raspberry because of its precision and versatility across different materials, making it perfect for detailed projects. On the flip side, I'd recommend avoiding the Caligy Mini Heat Press if you need something for larger tasks, as it really shines with smaller items.